If you're into day trips, maybe weekend adventures, and you're thinking, I need something more than this giant SUV, maybe check out the 2026 Tellaro Sport 20YS. So think about this. Camper van, fully equipped inside. We're gonna show you everything. 21 feet, 1 inch in length. Now compare that to some of your massive SUVs. You know, we're talking the Ford Expedition, the Jeep Grand Wagoneer, your Escalades, Tahoes, the list goes on and on and on. This is really gonna be like this much longer than most of those, and you're going to get so much more. For example, while we are outside, on the Sport model, this has the optional Thule awning. So you are set up at camp, you can put the awning out. So say you're set up in a parking lot like this, you can take real easy and just attach it to the side here. There are clips here. You have some 110s, you have cable. If you're tailgating, if you have a tailgate spot at your favorite college, how cool would it be to tailgate in this? You even have a propane connection down below so you can run your grill. And now you are cooking up the brats and the burgers and the dogs and all your favorite tailgate food. This is built on a RAM Promaster 3500 XT window van chassis. So nice windows built in. Blocks out a lot of that sunlight. The window's open for ventilation. It's just a nice clean look so it doesn't give you delivery van vibes, because that's the last thing you want when you are out tailgating. You want to stand here at this table with your cold one and enjoy it while you're talking to your friends, right? Another great feature and another advantage of having something like this Tellaro. Now, if you pulled that bottle out and you're like, oh my God, I forgot the bottle opener. This little feature is pretty awesome right here. Look at this. Bottle openers are built into the front and the rear of the running boards on each side. I think that's pretty cool. As we head inside, your 12-volt battery disconnect switch is going to be right there up top. 1,000-watt inverter. You have a Truma on board. That's your heat and your hot water. Everything is controlled through Rapid Cam Plus here from the main screen of the mobile app. So we're talking about turning on your lights, checking your tank levels, so on and so forth. Up front, nice Pentastar V6. It's going to be a peppy driving machine. Front wheel drive on this, runs off of gas. Everything you could ask for in safety and in infotainment. Sirius XM satellite radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, tons of storage. Love this. This is a wireless charger right here. So you just take your phone and you pop that in. Now the phone is charging. You even have in this bag, love having one of these. I'll tell you, something like this saved me a couple of weeks ago on my way home. I ran over some sort of giant screw on the highway, pulled out my portable air pump, was able to seal that tire off enough to get to the service center, but having an air pumps on board, great, not only for your tires on your van, which you can get optional black wheels and off-road tires if you want, but to, you know, blow up those inflatable paddle boards or whatever it is you'd like to travel with. Nice kitchen over here. Again, great advantage in something like the 20YS Tellaro Sport. Over a big SUV, you have a full kitchen in here. You have a sink with a cover, pull-down sprayer, nice counter space right here. Pop-up outlet, 110, USB-C, USB-A. That can get right out of the way there. Plenty of storage down below. You even have right here is an electric induction cooktop. It's portable, it's stored out of the way right now. You can pop this up, plug that in, now you're cooking. Take it outside on that table we showed you that flips up, throw it there. Now you are cooking outside. Right here, if you're tailgating and you don't want to wait in line in the parking lot at those bathroom lines because you know what you're getting into, look at this, your own wet bath in here. Talk about roomy. There really is a lot of room in here. Your shower is on a wand. You have a real sink in here. Notice that. That is a great feature. Full-length mirror. You have a light. You have a vent fan in there. Nice. Really nice to have on your day trips or your tailgates. Fridge is right here. Fridge up top. You have your freezer down below. Think of all the things you can put in here. You're not packing a cooler and then trying to find a space to fit it into that SUV. Microwave is up here. Nice flat panel cabinets. Store all your goodies back here. Roof mounted AC. So that is going to take and cool this whole area down. And this turns into the party lounge. Love this area right here. Seatbelts back here for the ride so you can kick back. You have some people set up here when you are inside just hanging out. There are cup holders here. You have, look at that, I talked about the windows, those open on each side, so you're gonna get that nice cross breeze. There's TV prep right up front, so you can pop a TV there and so you can watch the game if you're just hanging out, tailgating. And then, you're gonna love this. This just simply folds down into a bed. So you have that folded, then you slide your cushions, and now you have sleeping for two. So there's gonna be seatbelts in here for passengers and sleeping for two. Then you pop that right back up. Lagoon table right here, so you can swivel that however you want. It's a really great way to travel no matter how you like to go, whether it's short trips, long trips, spending the day out at a tailgate, new towns, destinations, anything you could want to do, you can do in the 2026 Tellaro Sport YS. And you can build your own right now at thormotorcoach.com.